So I went shopping, got some food for my dinner. Just got some spicy chicken ramen. We're heading over to the house.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kissed. By the way, just got in town.
I'm blinded. Oh my gosh. I am back. Got my drink. Okay, so I got some stuff today from Amazon. I already opened it up because, yeah. These are just covers for my headphones. See if I can get the right size on there. There we go. Let's see if they fit. And they still fit in here. And then this is my grandma's old paper-like book. Paper-like. Paper white. This old broken thing she's had for like a lot of years. Got this new one, hoping it fits. And it fits. That looks so much more slick. Spicy chicken time. But before that, we gotta feed the doggos. It's ramen time. Take the packets out. Remember to do that. Some people forget. And put it in the microwave. And I'm probably gonna go on my VR headset for a bit. Spice packet. Look like that. Try not to spill. Look at how good that looks. Story time. So, I have a VR headset, right? Why do I look like a helicopter? Terrible positioning. One sec. Okay, story time. So, I have a VR headset, right? And I built a world in it where I can play bowling. I was sitting on the carpet. Bad idea! I have long acrylics, right? I take my controller, I go like this. I'm sitting on the carpet, remember this. I go like that as hard as I can. It ripped off. And I was trying to find the nail in the carpet because it's, you know, like 1.5 inches thick. And I'm just there like feeling the carpet. I get up, I look around to see if I can see it. And I see it all the way over there and I'm like, bro, how'd you get from here to there? Like, but I found it. This is what my nail looks like. It still burns. It's been like 5 minutes. Ah, frick, frack, patty whack. Had these for almost 2 weeks. I think it's time to finally get a new set. Yeah, we did a new set today. But the other ones aren't even budging. Oh, question of the day. Do you wet your toothbrush before or after putting on toothpaste? I'm a weirdo. I do both. That's basically what I do whenever I house sit for someone. I played VR like the whole time I was there. It was really fun.